Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at this level 5 inside corner tool when you're taping and bedding. This thing is amazing. It's all metal construction with steel wheels. What you're going to do is you're going to mud your tape in. Take the mud, put it on, put the tape in, and then you're going to use this and run it up and down that seam. And what it's going to do is it's going to make a razor sharp corner, and it's going to clean most of that mud off for you. So it is going to give you a professional level corner. If you're a pro, this is a great tool. Actually, this is a pro tool. If you're a DIYer and you want to step your game up, this is a great tool to have. I love the handle, solid metal as well. Or actually, I believe it's more of an aluminum, kind of lightweight. Has a little thumb release here. You can move it down and you have all of these little indents. So you can set it to wherever you want it, where you're comfortable. I'm going to set it all the way up for a second and show you the reach. I can go all the way up to the top of this ceiling, and this is 10-foot ceilings. So if you want to step up your game and you want perfect corners, this is the tool to do it. Anything level 5 is awesome. So I hope you got something out of today's review, and we'll see you guys on the next one.